Ever feel like your life is a roller coaster, especially in relationships? Today, I'm unveiling an ancient secret that can transform your love life. It's called the law of rhythm, and trust me, it's a game changer. Hit that notification bell to learn how you can harness this powerful law to create harmony in your relationships. First things first, what is the law of rhythm? It's an ancient principle rooted in the Kybalion, suggesting that everything in the universe moves in a rhythmic, cyclical pattern. Think of it like the seasons, the ebb and flow of tides, or even the beat of your heart. In relationships, this means there are highs and lows, times of closeness and times of distance. Understanding this can change how you approach your love life. Let's talk about the honeymoon phase. We've all been there, that initial period where everything feels perfect. According to the law of rhythm, this phase is just a natural high in the cycle of a relationship. The key is not to panic when this phase starts to wane. It's just the rhythm moving forward. Instead of fearing the end of the honeymoon, embrace the next phase with open arms and a willingness to deepen your connection. Then come the rough patches. Disagreements, misunderstandings, they're all part of the rhythmic cycle. When you hit this phase, remember it's not the end. It's a chance to grow and sync better with your partner. Communicate, be patient, and ride the wave. Just like the tides, the rough waters will recede and calmness will return. Now, how can you use this law to your advantage? It's about anticipation and preparation. When things are going great, cherish those moments, but also prepare for potential challenges. And when challenges arise, know that they're temporary and an opportunity for growth. Stay in tune with the rhythm of your relationship and dance to its beat. In conclusion, embracing the law of rhythm can bring a newfound understanding and harmony to your relationships. If you're intrigued, our next step is exploring the law of vibration from the Kybalion. It's another ancient secret that can profoundly impact your life. Be sure to subscribe and share for our next video where we dive deeper into these mystical laws and how you can use them to transform your life.